So we came here today to the Santa Barbara Courthouse.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
And instead of it being actually just a courthouse, it's almost like being a museum.
Oh, definitely.
They have, actually, this is a working courthouse with active courtrooms going on. But the place is absolutely beautiful.
Bird of paradise. Yes.
The landscaping is awesome.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Bird of paradise there.
Gotta see this.
Flowers here. This is a must-do if you're anywhere in the area close to Santa Barbara. This is a must-do stop. This place is fabulous. The artwork, the architecture work, everything about this building is worth taking your time to come see it. They have just a history here that's just unbelievable. If you look here, there's a clock tower right up there. Hold on, I was trying to clean the lens, but there's a clock tower. The sun is kind of making it hard to see, but seeing if we can get it to zoom in there. There, the clock tower. You can go up top and walk around in there. It gives you a view around the city, but you have weddings here all over. The grounds here at the courthouse is just absolutely spectacular. So, like we said, an absolute must do.
Must see.
Yeah, so
That's unbelievable.
get to Santa Barbara, put this on your stop.
Yeah, definitely.
We didn't show you inside because we don't want to spoil it for you, because it is absolutely fabulous.
Gorgeous.
Just going to give you a quick scroll around the outside. Just a beautiful property. It's beautiful inside and out. Like we said, wedding taking place over there. 1929 is when this was built. Just wanted to come to the other side to give you kind of a look of it. There's a picture of the clock tower from this side. Beautiful archway. And oh wow, who's that beautiful thing right there? I know her. And the lawn along the sidewalk, just gorgeous. So, like we said, put this place on your map. Santa Barbara Courthouse. So, you see the pier out here. We'll probably check that out in a minute. But when we was in the courthouse, the deputy told us to come check out this
we had
Florida Maze restaurant. It says they have fish, octopus tacos. So we're gonna head over and check it out and see what it ends up tasting like. So we got us a table here and we get to look right across over at the ocean. So we're gonna bring some food out here in a minute and we'll check it out. But in the meantime, this stuff is delicious. It's dangerous. You see our chip is gone. Mix those together and very good. So the food came out and I have the octopus tacos. This is, what is that?
Barbacoa.
That's the barbacoa.
Barbacoa.
That is, what was that?
And chicken enchiladas.
Chicken enchiladas. Chicken enchiladas. Chicken enchiladas and steak tacos. And everything looks delish. So we drove out on the Santa Barbara Pier, and you get the first 90 minutes free. So we came out to check it out. Came out, we've seen these guys over here. They're from the City College, and they're doing I think a marine biology program. So they said they was doing some helmet dives, checking some stuff out. So the pier offers parking out here on the pier, and also there's restaurants and shops out here. You can catch some something to eat, get some ice cream, do a little shopping. Some of the little shops over here behind us. So we're checking it out. We'll probably come back another day and maybe catch some dinner or something. So just wanted to give you a quick shot of the pier. You can catch also some looks like a whale watching cruise or a dinner cruise, and take a little boat out of here also. People fishing out at the end of the pier. Nobody looked like was catching nothing. And then, I don't know if you can see, but over at the point out there at the jetty, like way over there, there's some guys surfing. So pretty cool. So we walked by the Santa Barbara Shellfish Company and just so happened to spot these crabs. There's lobsters in another tank. I'm not sure exactly what those are. But they also have sea urchins. And on their menu, they were talking about sea urchins. So they thought that was kind of interesting. Those sea urchins there. So their menu says 5 Santa Barbara sea urchins. And Dungeness crab. We ended up spending a little time on the Santa Barbara Pier, and then we took a stroll on the beach. It was kind of a neat beach where we found some sea glass, and we found a special little shell. Being that today was Valentine's Day, it was kind of neat to find this heart. So we finished up our night touring Santa Barbara with a romantic heart-shaped pizza. Happy Valentine's Day. Like we said earlier, if you get a chance to go to Santa Barbara, the Santa Barbara Courthouse is a must-see location to visit. We hope you enjoyed this video and coming along with us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that free subscribe button to be notified when we post our next video. Thanks for following along with us, and hope you have a blessed day.